Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you a app. It's called Nekogram app. It's communication and messaging app, unofficially messaging app that uses Telegram's API. Okay, so you can see the rating of the app 4.5 out of 5 and the reviews 7k and 29 megabyte size of the app, and 1 million people already downloaded this app. So it's the uses Telegram's API. You can see it's really cool and easy to use. It's like a Telegram app. Okay, they just uses it, and you can sense everything. You can do everything through this. If you know Telegram, then it is really easy for you. So simply click install, and it takes few moments to install in your device, and you can use it. So, okay, friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.